Revolt of 1857. The Indian Mutiny of 1857 to 59 was a widespread but unsuccessful rebellion against the rule of British East India Company in India, which functioned as a sovereign power on behalf of the British Crown. The revolt, it was first expression of organized resistance against the British East India Company. It began as a revolt of the sepoy of the British East India Company army, but eventually spread the participation of the masses. The revolt is known by several names: the Sepoy Mutiny by the British historian, the Indian Mutiny, the Great Rebellion by the Indian historians, the Revolt of 1857, the Indian Insurrections, and the First War of Independence by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Cause of the revolt, political cause, British policy of expansion. The political causes of the revolt were the British policy of expansion through the doctrine of lefts and direct annexation. A large number of Indian rulers and chiefs were dislodged, and thus amusing fear in the mind of the ruling families who apprehended a similar fate. Rani Lakshmibai, adopted son, was not permitted to sit on the throne of Jhansi. Satara, Nagpur and Jhansi were annexed under the doctrine of lefts. Jaipur, Sambalpur and Udaipur were also annexed. The annexation of Awadh by the Lord Dalhousie on the pretext of maladministration left thousands of nobles, officials, retainers and soldiers jobless. The measure converted Awadh, a loyal state, into a hotbed of discontent and intrigue. The notable British technique called the doctrine of lefts was first appeared by the Lord Dalhousie in the late 1840s. It involved the British prohibiting a Hindu ruler without a natural heir from adopting a successor, and after the ruler died or abdicated, annexing his land. To those problems added the growing discontent of the Brahmanas, many of whom